Hi guys, in this video we will see how to split a screen on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. You can easily use two apps on a single screen in Samsung Galaxy Android. Open the first app which you want to open and here swipe up and such type of screen appeared. Here open second app which you want to open in a split screen. Open another app and again swipe up. On this screen you can see two apps is open. Now go to first app, tap and hold and drag it on this portion. Drag here to appear. So drag here and you can easily see your screen is splitted and two app on a single screen. You can easily use the first one is Telegram app and the second one is Calculator app. On a single screen you can use two different apps. So this is very easy process to split your Samsung Galaxy Android screen to use two apps in a single screen. That's all.